Hi everyone, it's Christine Kopr with Sotheby's Realty giving you a June market update. This topic's going to be about how is 2020 doing compared to 2019. As you all know, 2019 was not a great year. It was actually, if you wanted to think about the best opportunity to buy, would have been early in 2019 when we had a significant months of inventory or a lot of supply on the market in January, February of 2019. Now, you might be wondering, well, how's the market faring with a global pandemic going on? Well, so far, the news is good. I'm just going to share my screen with you here. Get this over to you. All right. So how's the market doing 2019 to 2020? Well, you can see this time of year in June, we had 2,077 sales in 2019. And this June in 2020, we had 2,443 sales. So that's over a 17% increase year over year in sales. So last year we had the effects of the new mortgage stress tests for the majority of the market in qualifying for mortgages. And then we also on the higher end had tax implications that the government had implemented, also keeping a cap on prices for luxury housing. Now, in terms of the benchmark price, because sales is one thing, but where price is going, that's the other question that we have. Well, you can see back in June of 2019, the benchmark price for the real estate board of Greater Vancouver was $999,000. Now it's up over, it's up 2.7%. So we're up year over year. And even with COVID going on, we're starting to see a strengthening across the board and interest in properties. And my gut is, barring we don't go into a major lockdown again, that's really going to significantly impact the economy. This is going to continue on because there was already a demand in the housing market that was just slowed by things like the mortgage stress test. All those people who wanted to buy a home all of a sudden don't need a home. They might choose to rent, but as we all know, rents are still really strong and really challenging for people. So that's that. Now, coming back to months of inventory, here we go. We've got 4.7 months of inventory for the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver. What is so interesting about this slide is this bottom green slide here shows you months of inventory going back to 2017. For those of you that remember 2017, it was crazy. And as you can see, it's because we had very low months of inventory. We were basically below 4 months of inventory for the entire year. So prices were just going up because we had no inventory, no supply, and more demand than there was supply. Now, when we take a look at where we are today, right here for June, you can see that in all of 2018 and 2019, we've actually had higher months of inventory for the month of June. So outside of 2017, this has actually been the best month for inventory. So that's also really showing strength for our real estate board. Now, putting it all to perspective, not all markets are the same. So by months of inventory by property type differ. So for all of the houses on the board of Greater Vancouver, we have 5 months of inventory, which is in the middle of a balanced market. Townhouses are on the cusp of a seller's market or probably close to seller's market. And apartments are close to seller's market. And I would argue in the entry level, we see multiple offers and offer dates more times than not right now. So if you want to get specific information for your target market, please reach out to me directly. Let's talk so we can get you the information that you're looking for. With that, I want to thank you so much for your time. Please like, share, and let us know what kind of information we can continue delivering to you so that we keep you educated and keep delivering value to our loyal clients, customers, and audience. Thanks so much. Take care.